Huh?
What do I got?
I don't know. Like 15? Hey! You're shooting it to me. See that one? Next sure it's going to kill us if you shoot the target.
Alright.
You want to right there, straight ahead of you.
Alright.
See the big orange one?
The white one.
The little 5 black ones?
Yeah.
Aim for the big orange ones. There you go.
Even with the top. Come on. You're just going to have to just hold it snug and pull it just barely. Make sure that circle's right around the back. Pull this back. Make sure it locks, because sometimes it might come back loose a little bit, not like gonna misfire, but just but that's all you gotta do.
Keep going. I think I stuck that 30 in there.
Go on.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Put it on safety. Other way. Oh, yeah, do it hard. Do it hard. Oh, it's jammed. All right.
The whole real time.
You're gonna hate it.
I swear to God.
I didn't get any pictures.